Today we'll talk about how can you enable share your trades with others on your eToro app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here. You click on above this sign, then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings here, and you click on settings, you come to this list, then all you have to do, so you just click here on general, you click on general here, then you come to this list here, you just go down, you keep going down here, so you come here to sharing here, or sharing your trades with others, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,